I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Connecting a new device on Stripe can seem daunting, but it is quite straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Start by logging into your Stripe account using your credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to add devices. Step 2. Navigate to device settings. Once logged in, go to the settings menu. Look for the section labeled devices or device management. This is where you can manage all connected devices. Step 3. Add a new device. Click on the Add Device button. You will be prompted to enter the device details, such as the device name and type. Make sure to fill in all required fields. Step 4. Verify device connection. After adding the device, you may need to verify its connection. Check your email for a verification link sent by Stripe and click on it to confirm. Step 5. Test the connection. Finally, test the new device to ensure it is working properly. You can do this by processing a small transaction or checking the device status in the dashboard. If you encounter any issues, make sure to check that the device is compatible with Stripe's requirements. Happy connecting!